So, we all know good old Flappy Bird, game that I pretty much excel at. But, have you ever got tired of failing, like you fail at life, college, and pretty much everything you do? Yeah, me too. But today, I'm bringing you this neural net-based solution to help you with your Flappy Bird issues. First of all, what is a neural network? I plan to make a separate video explaining the math behind them in more detail, but here are the basics. It's a machine that takes a numeric input, does some math on it, and spits an output. If the output is higher than a certain threshold, the bird will jump. As the input, I use the vertical and horizontal distance to the closest pipe and an additional neuron called the bias. Then, there are 4 neurons called hidden that are used to do the math. At first, they play completely randomly since no predetermined rules were defined. But slowly, thanks to survival of the fittest and small random mutations to their neurons, it starts getting better and better. It only took 2 generations for it to learn that crashing into the ground was not the best tactic. On the bottom, we can see the current output of the neural network, the threshold, and its score, which is used to determine which specimen is the fittest. The score is calculated as the distance the bird moved plus the amount of pipes the bird has gone through, minus the vertical distance to the center of the pipe. This is done so that the bird maximizes its score when aiming for the center of the pipes. This is the same neural network after 40 generations of evolution. It's become an absolute professional at Flappy Bird. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.